Are you tired of manually updating your financial records between Stripe and Xero? Let's explore how to automate and simplify the integration process, ensuring your accounts always reflect the latest transactions. First, let's head over to Xero. We need a tool to simplify the tasks. Click on the waffle icon, often referred to as the waffle iron menu, at the top right corner, and select e-commerce. This will take you to the Xero App Store, a place where you can find numerous useful e-commerce add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type PayTraQer. Click on the app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt PayTraQer with your Xero account. Now, we'll get started with SaasAnt PayTraQer. Connect with Xero and select the organization you want to add. Click Allow Access. Here, PayTraQer is successfully connected with your Xero account. Next, in PayTraQer, click the gear icon to connect with your preferred payment processors. Here, you'll find the Add option. Now, choose your preferred payment processor, Stripe. Now, get started with your Stripe account to simplify your transactions with PayTraQer. Continue with Next. Here, you'll find an option to start with the Express setting to make the process quick. Once you are in, you can download historical transactions with custom dates and stores. If you want to sync your transactions with Xero, you can use a check mark. You can select the Review and Sync option if you want to review. Once it is completed, you'll see a report indicating the number of successful transactions and the number of failed transactions. Here, 9 transactions have successfully synced with Xero, but 4 transactions have failed. Let's fix it fast. It's because the multi-currency is not enabled. Luckily, SaasAnt Transactions doesn't leave us guessing. It points out exactly where the issue is. Let's quickly enable multi-currency in Xero. We go to Organizational Settings in Xero, move on to Currencies, and add the currency our transactions deal with. Once you are done with Xero, go to Sync Settings in SaasAnt PayTraQer and enable multi-currency to support your multi-currency transactions. Now, sync your errored transactions. Here, all transactions have been successfully synced. To double-check whether the transactions are correctly synced with Xero, click the successful transaction and select Action Details for the transaction you need to check. Now, proceed with Open in Xero. Here in Xero, you'll find the transactions you have imported through SaasAnt PayTraQer. If you have synced your transactions incorrectly, don't worry. Through SaasAnt, you can undo all the synced transactions with Xero. Now you've successfully reverted your transactions with SaasAnt PayTraQer. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.